So we're here at ISCAR Tools. Next week, Machining Techniques 2.0. John, what are we going to see from your point of view?
From my point of view, we'll be looking at some of the latest releases of the milling products. Obviously they're hidden under the tarpaulin at the moment, but hopefully if you get yourselves down here, you'll see some interesting stuff.
And your long edge cutter in front of you, it's a tool I've come across before, but for our viewers, tell us some more.
Yeah, this is our P290 long edge cutter. Different to most, you can see the serrations on there. This helps to break up the swarf, reduce the power consumption and give a general softer cut so we can increase metal removal rates.
And long edge cutters, quite often it's a slot-in tool, but I know next week, again we don't need to talk about it too much now, but next week you're going to be talking about some different machining strategies to what's the norm.
Okay, we have next week you'll be seeing some long edge cutters where we're pushing them through full slotting, heavy power consumption for big strong machines. And we also have the P290 styles where we effectively adopt a trachoidal milling strategy for lower powered machines. We still get a high metal removal rate.
So is this going to be your highlight of the show?
Oh no, you'll have to come down to the show to see the highlights.